Hi, Kipsters. Today we are doing 7th grade Q4, determine the meanings of words with Greek and Latin roots. This is going to really test my knowledge. Do I know what those Greek and Latin roots are? And can I use them to define a word? So I'm going to click learn with an example. Remember, you can click this too at the start of any skill. So I'm going to see my key idea. Remember that a root is a part of a word that has a certain meaning. Words that share the same root often have a similar meaning that are related to the meaning of the root. For example, the root bell means war. Then this key idea gives me a couple examples of 3 different words that use that root and how they're all related to the concept of war. Let's look at our example. What does the word edict mean? An order issued by a person with authority, a draft submitted to an editor or publisher, or a process for designing and creating a product for sale. I need to know that the root in here is D-I-C-T, dict. I know that root from words like dictionary or diction, which I should know from other times. A dictionary is something that has a lot of words in it. So I think that this root means something that has to do with words or a long passage with a lot of words. Let's see. This could be an order issued or a draft submitted. It can't be this bottom one. It is an order issued by a person with authority because that root means say. I'm going to go down to the solution. Yep, it means say or declare. That's what it is. You are going to have to really know your Greek and Latin roots in order to get these questions right and get to that SMART score of 90. You can Google common Greek and Latin roots and find a list. You're going to want to make flashcards or study those roots before you start this skill. Remember, you're getting to a SMART score of 90. If you need help, you're looking at that solution. In the solution, they're going to tell you what those roots mean. You should have a notebook out and be taking notes on it. That way, when you come up with new Greek and Latin roots, you'll have a comprehensive list you can study from. All right, Kipsters, take your time, get to 90. You got this. See you tomorrow.